Question 4a. The figure below shows a paper chromatogram of 5 different inks. Okay, so we've got blue ink, red ink, yellow, green and black. Explain, so that's going to be a describe, plus how paper chromatography separates substances, and is worth 3 marks, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what do we notice about that? So how does it work? Well, first of all, we get the solvent moves through the paper, so through the paper, and as it does so, as it moves, it carries substances. Okay, so it carries the substances. The key bit there is that different substances are carried different distances depending on their solubility, different distances on their solubility and how attracted to paper they are. Okay, so if something's very attracted to the paper, then it won't move necessarily as much, and how attracted to paper they are. Okay, so there's 2 factors going on there. One is solubility. So if it dissolves really easily in the solution, it will just carry along with that solution. But also, if it's not as attracted to the paper, it will travel further in the solution. Part B. Analyze the chromatogram, describe and explain the result for black ink. So analyze the chromatogram, describe and explain the result for black ink. Okay, so it's worth 4 marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So what can we tell? Well, we can tell that, first of all, to analyse it, how many of these are just one spot? Well, the blue's one spot, red's one spot, yellow and green, whereas the black is clearly a mixture because it's a mixture of all the different spots there. Okay, so we can say there that there's various things we could say, that all of them are soluble. It's probably a bit obvious, that one, but let's start off with blue, red, yellow and green are inks are pure. Black is a mixture. Okay, in fact I've started over with an explain, haven't I? What I should have said was actually only black. So let me, only black is split into more than one spot. Split into more than one spot. Okay, that probably should have gone first if I'm thinking about my describe, then explain. So only black is split into more than one spot. All the others are one spot only. What else do I know? Well, I know that black contains, okay, so black contains what? So black contains, it's on the same level here. Where's my, if I look at, well, I've got a ruler handy, but if I look across there, those two are on the same level. So the black's got blue in it, the black's got red in it, because they're on the same height. And I know that it's also got some yellow in it as well. Okay, we've also got as well this bit down here, which hasn't moved. Okay, so I know that black contains yellow, red, and green. Okay, dyes. Or ink. Okay, I know that because they're at the same level. These spots are at the same level. So I also know that, well, what else do I know about this? I know black ink also contains an insoluble ink, which doesn't move. Okay, other things I could say, well, I could say that yellow goes the highest, so yellow is the most soluble. Yellow ink is most soluble as it rises the highest. I wouldn't need to say that because I've already got 4 points, but if I wanted to and I was confident, I might put it in as well just to make sure I absolutely definitely get the marks. Okay, I hope that helps.